Hi, Jacob.Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters. I'm here to talk to you a little bit today about this Jayco J-Flight 175RD. As you can tell, it's a short trailer. It's about 19 feet in total length. That's with tongue and bumper. And with Jayco's under 20 feet long, they cut a very slim profile plus a little bit of a lower profile as well. Just to offer a little bit more light, they have the pop-up window in the front, which does actually add quite a bit of light into the interior. Got your, it's not a pass-through, but you have quite a bit of storage in here to store quite a bit of goods. Plus, because you're not having a pass-through in the front, you actually have some extra space in the rear for storage right back here. And one of the things you might notice about this Jayco, it's a little bit higher, the chassis is a little bit bigger, and you have a little bit bigger tires. It's an off-road edition with a Baja. So we're going to go inside, we're going to talk about a few of the things that make this a pretty neat little trailer. So the J-Flight additions here, they have the front east-west bed, that big window right off the front offers quite a bit of light that comes in from all directions. You have your AC right over here, plus your big speakers up top, push button LEDs all throughout, and you're not scrimping on storage in the front. That's kind of a pass-through storage as well, completely unobstructed. You can fill that up quite well. And beyond that, you have your wardrobe right next to it. It's pretty handy, and they still offer a side table here for either a CPAP machine or any books or your cell phone you need to keep at hand. And with the division of space, you have a curtain actually to kind of completely to divide that space for you. Then you have your kitchen here. You have a 2-burner stove, and you have your Dometic microwave. Not a microwave, that is a refrigerator. Who would have thought? All right, and then you have quite a bit of storage right next to your microwave and your hood. And that's right across from the bathroom. And one of the things with in this length that is really nice is that the bathroom is still a true dry bath, and it actually comes with a little bit of a tub that comes with it as well. You have a 6'5" height for the interior, and you have 7 feet wide. So if you have any considerations that need to be met for either storage or kind of you have a little more concern for travel down the road, this cuts a slim profile, but still offering quite a bit of space inside. And with a big U-shaped dinette in the rear, you still get quite a bit of seating here. And plus the windows off the rear, so whenever you taking quite a bit of time to get to where you want to go, whenever you're having your coffee in the morning, you're having your meal, you actually look out in both directions of where you've taken that time to get to. At the same time, you have your TV bracket mount here with all your TV hookups as well. You have your DVD CD player. It's ready at hand. And if you have any more questions about this little guy, feel free to give me a call. My name is Jacob.Boyd, 773-655-7190. I'll stop on by in the Junction City. Thanks.